The very, very, very long dog. This is Bartleby. Well, this is his bottom, anyway. Here is his front end. Bartleby is a very, very, very long sausage dog who's lucky enough to live in this beautiful old bookstore. Every day, Bartleby eats breakfast whilst reading his favorite books. Then his special friends take him for his morning walk around town. Bartleby loves his home, his walks, and his friends. Life couldn't be any better. Except Bartleby is so long, he's not always quite sure where his bottom is. His walk started out great, but unfortunately didn't always end so well. His friends tried their very best to help clean up the mess. Bartleby had no idea. Day after day, they carefully trotted across Main Street. But his blundering backside caused a calamity. Oh, Bartleby. They cautiously took a diversion around the construction site. But his bungling behind created even more chaos. Oh, Bartleby. One day, Bartleby's reckless rear made so much mayhem that not even his friends could fix it this time. Oh, Bartleby. Bartleby heard yelling and shouting and turned back to investigate. He would get to the bottom of this and find the culprit. Poor Bartleby realized that it was his very own bottom that had caused all the crashing and bashing, making everyone unhappy. He ran all the way home and was so sad he didn't even read his favorite bedtime story. He still ate his dinner. He vowed never to leave the bookstore again. Bartleby's friends were heartbroken to see him so sad. They loved him just the way he was. They rummaged through all the bookshelves searching for answers. They concocted a most marvelous plan that just might make Bartleby feel better. They created a very special gift, a gift for Bartleby to help himself. Every day, Bartleby still eats breakfast whilst reading his favorite books. His special friends still take him for his morning walk around town, but now Bartleby is absolutely sure where his bottom is. Oh, Bartleby.